Good morning. Now I'm going to explain you how to create pivot table. We have HG8 bin data. To consolidate this report, I'm going to make a consolidate report by using pivot table. The first, we need to understand the ground rule for doing the pivot table. ABCDs or columns, all the columns would have the header. The first row is considered as a header. So let's see this are the headers. These are the headers. Okay. So it's all the values supposed to have a header. So let's take, I will highlight this as a header. Okay. So these are the headers. Now I'm going to do the pivot table step by step. In the first step, we need to select the data. How we can select the data? Hold here, Control Shift right arrow. Entire columns are selected and then Control Shift down arrow. So entire data is selected. Then go to Insert. You can see the pivot table here. Click here and then just give OK. What says OK here? Select the data table range. It's all the data range is selected here, and then we need the pivot table in new sheet. So I'm selecting the new sheet, new workbook. It's the default. It's selected as a new worksheet, and then give OK. See, this is the report table has come. From here, you can see this four component of pivot table, that is filter, column, rows, value. In this, if I need to know the location, what are the location or a region name, or let's take it as location name. If I click this location, it will come to, these are the locations, the store locations. Okay. So in this location, let's see what are the category of the product sold. Let's take it as SKU. Okay, now let's go for the SKU name or SKU code. Let's take SKU code, so it will be easy for this is the SKU code, and then in this SKU code, now I want to find the April month sale value. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this sale value here. So this is SKU code, should be it is here. See, these are the SKU codes. I kept it in the row and then I kept the sale value in the values. So it's a consolidate of sale value has come. Okay. So if, for example, I need SKU sale value is there, and then let's take it as manufacturer name also for this product. So it has come like this. So we will take only these two. Manufacturer name is not required. Let's go here and then you can see the sale value. Now we can this is how we create the pivot table. So when it is very difficult to see this, we can consolidate very simpler, like click here and then go to this options. When you click this option, you can get the new window. In this, select this display classic pivot table and give OK. Now you can see this kind of, and then you can collapse this. When collapse this, it shows this. See, each and every, for example, the location wise, this is selected, and then it has done. So if you want to view what are the SKUs sold, you can click here. Then like this, you can put this. So here only the SKU code is given. Okay. Now, for example, you want to create, you want to give a filter for, you want to have a filter and see what are the SKU location name to be filtered. Like I don't want to see entire view, just I want to see the only the location name. In this SK code, for example, if you want to see only this AR Nagar, so what you can do is you can filter. For example, Adayar, you want Chennai Adayar, you select only this Adayar and give OK. You can see only the Adayar ka data. Then based on this, if you want to make a chart, click here, go to pivot chart, double click on this, you can find this any chart, pie chart or a bar chart. You select the chart and give OK. Now you can see this chart has come. So this is how we can do the pivot table. And then if you want to drill down the data, only you want to see the ADIR of this SKU table, or you don't need to filter and see in the master. Just when you double click, you can see this, only this data has come. So location 3 it is sold. Okay, for example, you want to location name. When you take this location name, you can, if you can go back this location name, it will come to new table, move up, and then you can see the same table. Now is only the ADIR one. If you want to know entire thing, now you can see all everything. Now you can delete this. Okay, this is how pivot table supposed to do. Okay, so hope you understand this. Now we have learned about pivot table.